Hey, Corey Misko here from Fresh Produce Manufacturing. We're going to be talking about the Blue Demon True View Pano hood today, provided by Ferocious Motorsports. So some of the things I like about this mask is it's got auto darkening front viewing screen along with the side screens. They also auto darken, unlike some of the other masks on the market. And this gives you a large viewing range that a lot of masks don't have. On top of that, it's got 5 sensors in the front to assure that it will see the light in case you're being blocked by a roll cage tube or something like that in a tight fitting area. You're not going to blast your face with bright light. So that's very convenient. The clarity of this is the best that I've used compared to other welding masks on the market. On the inside, you'll find this very nice, comfortable headgear. All the controls on the inside to adjust your shade, your sensitivity. You can switch it to grind mode, a few other settings here. Some of the things that come with the mask are going to be a replaceable outside shield, and on the inside, it's got little clear covers that protects the lenses on the inside, so you'll have spares of those that come with the mask. Another key feature of this mask is the price point, right around $200, and it's comparable to other masks on the market around the 500 plus range. This mask, I think, would be a good option for beginners up to advanced welders for the price point. It's not very expensive. It will work for many different applications, pretty budget friendly, and it works just as good as any other expensive hood on the market. The clarity of this is pretty amazing. I used to really enjoy the gold lens of how clear those were. This is by far better than the gold lens in my opinion. So if you want to get your own Blue Demon True View Pano hood, go over to Ferocious Motorsports and pick up one today.